Hi, I'm Jessica, founder of Naturally Beautiful Hair Care and Microloc Mastery. I wanted to take some time. I just want to acknowledge that right now is can be a very crazy time. A lot of things are uncertain. The beauty industry and all non-essential services have stopped. So that means is that there's a lot of people who relied on beauty services, including myself. Eyelashes and nails. My nails are bald, and these are magnetic eyelashes. I had to find a way to get the services that I needed. I'm the creator of the Microloc Mastery online certification and training program, which was recently featured on Black Enterprise, because I'm offering women particularly, but men, women, anyone, really, the opportunity to learn and earn from home. But during this time, I wanted to offer something to try to help alleviate some of the financial burden. I recently added on 2 shortened courses. Yesterday I launched them. The first course is the Quick Start Self-Retightening Support and Training. And the second one is the Retightening, Repair, and Grooming Training and Support. And those 2 courses are a small part of the overall long course. So if people just need to maintain their own hair, their microlocs, their interlocks, their small interwoven locks of any brand, it doesn't matter. What I'm doing is I am teaching you how to retighten your own hair, and also you can take these skills and you can apply it to offering the service for others. What I'm offering though is the course price is flash sale at 50% off, because I understand. I just recently have a friend that recently lost one of his job, and so a lot of people are in similar situations, or they're uncertain about their job path. This is just impactful thing, and people like myself who have children home, who I've asked to be quiet while I recorded, is just talking up a storm to herself in the room. But we compromise, we improvise. That is what we do. That is our strength. I have the service. Received these 12 years ago, and in 2009 I received my training and started providing this service. So if this happened before I received my training in 2008, I don't know what I would do. And at the time, YouTube was in its infancy. There wasn't really much social media. And so I just can't imagine that feeling. So what, right now, with advances in technological support and the innovation that I've created with my online courses, I want to offer these courses at 50% off with the training code training half off. Now, the Quick Start Self-Retightening is going to teach you how to retighten your hair or the hair of others, and that's basically it. And then the Retightening, Repair, and Grooming course is going to just teach you the repair and the grooming as well. It is accessible 24 hours. It's online based. Doesn't matter where you live in the world. You can get on. Once you've enrolled in the training, you have access. And additionally, I mail to your home. This is already a part of the course structure. But now seems even more valuable now. I mail your tools and your supplies to you, and as a bonus, you get the 30-minute one-on-one with me. You get a certificate of completion. You get access to online group support twice a month, live, by the way, and video. You get access to my 3-day trainings that I do in my private Facebook group. I've recorded those and I threw them up there on the module for you, and the workbook that goes along with it. You get the private Facebook group access, and then you get access to additional training and support. Should you decide that, hey, I want to become part of your network and I want to make this a business or a hustle or something that's going to give me some more revenue, because at this time, it is really super powerful to have your own thing. So I'm going to offer that to you as well. Here's the thing. First of all, I price the courses online, which I feel is kind of super affordable in my eyes, based on what you're getting and the value you could get right back from an investment. But you can start with the lowest price course right away with this $37.50. You can learn these skills and learn these tips. I would like for you to excuse me while my daughter is running around in the background. I'm the single mom life, but throughout my time being a single mom and prior to that, this business has been what has sustained me. I guess this is a good example of how you can grow and earn and sustain yourself with these skills. What I've liked to always say is that situations that look bad aren't always bad. There's a silver lining to every situation. And this is a great opportunity, I think, to learn how to do and maintain some things for yourself, to give you some independence should something like this happen again, or something happen where you cannot access your services for maintenance. So if you're interested, you want more information, just go to microlocmastery.com/courses. I do want to let you know though, the flash sale is only for a limited time. Depending on when you watch this video, it may not be effective. However, the courses will remain. If you're interested in the free live trainings that I do in my Facebook group, then you can register for those trainings at freemicroloctraining.com/join. Okay? I do look forward to bring in people into our training school, and I look forward to possibly seeing you there. But this opportunity for 50% off is only for a limited time, just to help with what's happening right now. Thank you.